Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn about methane, which is CH4. So let's get right into the topic. Carbon, which is bonded to the 4 hydrogens. So let's see what is its structure, and also we'll be knowing about the covalent bond which is being shared between the carbon and hydrogen in this example. So let's get started. Carbon, which is present in the center, is surrounded by 4 hydrogens. You can see this formula, which is 4 hydrogens, and then as you all know, carbon's valence is tetravalent. Carbon is tetravalent, so that means 4 valence electrons. And hydrogen, you know hydrogen, it's only 1 electron. Almost each and every one of you know this, but still we need to discuss it. And then now if you see, carbon is having 4, but to satisfy its octet rule, it needs to have another 4 more electrons so that it can complete its octet rule and also it gets satisfied. But hydrogen, it is just happy with 2 electrons, and that is an exception you have to remember. Hydrogen is here an exception to this octet rule. So let's see, this carbon valence electron and this hydrogen electron combines together and forms a covalent bond. That means mutual sharing between this carbon and hydrogen. And the same goes with other 3 carbon and hydrogens. Here also there is the same carbon is attached to this hydrogen. There are different hydrogens but only a single carbon. That is why it is only CH4 but not C4H4. You have to see that. So there is single carbon and 4 hydrogens. So this is how this structure looks like. And also carbon belongs to 14th group. And you know its valence electrons are 4 valence electrons, and hydrogen, it's 1 valence electron. It's in the first group. So that's the thing. So carbon 14th group 4 valence electrons, and hydrogen first group 1 valence electron. And also you have to remember here that CH4 4 hydrogens into 1 valence electron plus there is nothing here, so it's only 1 carbon, so plus 4 valence electrons. So that means 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4, which makes 8 electrons. So we are dealing with 8 electrons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here a single bond represents 2 electrons. One single bond represents 2 electrons which are mutually shared between this hydrogen and this carbon, and this hydrogen and this carbon, and same goes with these 2 hydrogens and this carbon also. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.